So very quickly, I'm just testing this, and you can see actually it automatically picked up a new message. Essentially, the message that I sent last time wasn't picked up in the last run that I did. So you can see here that it's picked up on the message that I sent, which was hi, and it's generated a response, which is perfect. At this stage, this is where you can also dive into the logs, and you can really sort of like have a look at exactly how the AI agent processed everything and how it went through all the steps that it was needing to go through. And it's also a good point to do any debugging. But for now, this looks good. I'm quite happy with this. So the last thing is to connect this up to a Telegram message node. So I'm going to search for Telegram. I'm going to search for send a text message. You could also enrich this with images or GIFs if you wanted to. There's a lot of really nice markup options that you can do with the Telegram integration. I just need to set up this node to use the chat ID so that it knows which chat to actually send the message back to. And then once again, the reason why I use the structured output parser is so that I can very easily just use this as my text message to send back on Telegram. So I can just drag this over into the text field. And that is everything that we need to do. So now I can save this, and all I need to do now essentially is just very quickly test it. So I'm going to set the test trigger. I'm going to write a message and see what it comes back with. And actually, before I do that, I'll go back to the screen, because now we can actually see it running in action. It's always quite a nice animation to watch this, just to see the AI agent sort of working and thinking. And I can see that Telegram has come back with something, and here we go. This is the message. So it says, hiya, looks like you're in the mood for some coloring magic. I'm here to help you whip up something amazing. Once again, it's quite a nice sort of like friendly tone of voice. You can change this obviously to however you want. Want some recipe ideas, step-by-step cooking instructions, or need to check out dietary options? Just give me a shout and let's get cooking. So that's great. That's literally perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So now all that's left to do is to go back to n8n and to activate this so that we can actually just start talking to it naturally rather than having to test it each time. I'm also going to open up the executions tab in n8n, because as I'm sending messages, I will switch back to this and I'll show you the log of the executions within n8n as well, which is also really nice. It's also a really good way of debugging and figuring out issues within your workflows. So this is live. This is good to go. Let's start talking to the recipe bot. So I'm kind of in the mood, well, I'm always in the mood for fried chicken. So I'm going to say exactly that. I want to make some fried chicken. And what you'll see if you switch over back to the executions tab is this will come through, and you'll see that there's a process that's currently running. And once that's done, you can then actually dive into each of the nodes and get a full log trace of everything that's happened. But that's all run successfully, so there's nothing really too important that I need to do there. So you can see it's come back with a message. It says, yep, fried chicken, great choice, as always. It's basically telling me that I can help with some ideas, I can break down instructions, or if you have any dietary considerations that you'd like to think about. Which part of the fried chicken adventure would you like to explore first? Okay, so I would like some recipe ideas, basically, because I am dying for some fried chicken. I can also give some requirements. So I'm having around 10 people over, so I want to cook for them. And you could give some dietary considerations too. So something low in gluten would also be great. So once again, that's going to go away. That's going to process. I'll jump back over to the executions. I can see this running. And Telegram is popping up. So here we go. It's come back with some ideas. So here's a few delicious low gluten fried chicken ideas for your crowd of 10. So you got cornflake crusted gluten-free fried chicken. Not bad. Almond flour southern style fried chicken. Sounds quite nice. Buttermilk chicken with rice flour coating. That sounds like my kind of fried chicken. So yeah, I'm going to go with the buttermilk fried chicken. And yeah, basically I just want some step-by-step instructions now. And here we go. This is our step-by-step instructions. We've got all the ingredients, we've got the steps, and we've even got some tips at the end. So there we have it. We have our Telegram bot, and it's running within our Telegram application as well. So I can use this on my mobile phone, I can use it on my desktop, I can use it on whatever device I want. And as you can see, this is super quick and easy to set up. And if you think about all the different types of use cases in terms of automating tasks, doing research, essentially being a personal assistant for any kind of business owner or employee. The value here is massive. And on top of that, you can add so many extra features and you can customize this however you wish. Because it is so easy and so quick to do, this could be a real game changer, not only for you and your businesses, but also for your clients as well, and adding value really quickly and easily. Or if you just wish to have quite a helpful bot that you can use in your personal life too, for things like recipes or clothing choices or recommendations, then it's also a bit of fun as well. So that's it for now. If you have any more ideas that you'd like me to build, let me know in the comments. But other than that, I'll see you soon.